before 30, now die, then go die now.
They go just sit down and say, me, one thing I know, be say, that thing, I say, Sangamar, very big motor. You stand like this and say the breeze, make the breeze tell you.
You know, say that girl first not get weight.
It be like those small motor when they were at Third Mainland Bridge, when that better breeze blow them.
No, that's not the Third Mainland Bridge, now that's Ikoyi Bridge.
Oh, you're in Ona Bridge.
Ikoyi Bridge.
But if you don't take careful, the breeze go blow him. He just go. Tomorrow they go say na devil.
Anyway, that TV series we see so that trailer we see so na TV series when episode go start the show for TV from the 22nd of March. Will be this Sunday that go start the show on Top TV.
So Nedu so na anyebari da do aworo ke amado over 30. Who can know them that thing? Who can know them the part of the fallacious? Mudo amado over 30. You cannot be part of it. Control.
Me?
No, you get tango. Anybody over 30.
Wait, before we continue, sir, we'll get two of the casties. Sorry.
No,
two of the cast. Then are people where then cast them inside the film. Yeah, people
where they inside the
where act for inside the film. See them here. Now see that guy where they cry, where they be like say, shoot, hold up. But what do you make you squeeze face like that?
They carry onions from my eye.
It doesn't make you cry.
It doesn't make me cry. They carry, no. The way the woman do me.
How you do you?
The way she touch me.
It feel you.
It feel me.
You don't know what it feeling.
Okay. What do you feel? I beg you. What do you feel? Because me, my own feeling and your own feeling, not be the two.
No, you never know.
I beg you, go tell me now. Tell me, Better tell me, or me, I can come up for this.
No. Now make you not say our mouth you hear ram.
Nedu, like this.
No. So actually, feeling that your mama, your papa do when they born you.
Okay. I can't understand
now
you now. I understand you now, my brother. Okay, so what do you have to say? After she can't feel me, she can't throw me.
Hey! Now that one the vex pass. And if you get the special one, she take feel you. Snake and ladder style. Spotlight proof.
Then I'm not afraid about the crossroad. The style of crossroad.
Crossroad style. Hey! You know that snake and ladder style? For the feeling.
I don't hear him.
You know Suwe style?
Hey! Plus crossroad.
Crossroad.
Hey!
But you know burglary proof.
I know burglary. That one. That one is standard.
He said that one is standard. Anyway, what's your name? Type of wait, we don't know your name. What's your name?
My name is Karibi Fubara.
Karibu Geni?
Karibi Fubara.
Karibi?
Karigo?
Karibi Fubara.
Where you come from?
Niger Delta.
Oh, Niger Delta. Where for Niger Delta?
No, naim they organize.
She know. River State.
Okay,
proper Niger Delta.
I don't want to come say. Okay, and I be militant.
Oh, Pobo.
Okay.
It's that island, you know.
Jaja for Pobo.
Oh, Jaja.
Tomato. Hello, Kubu.
Fine.
And some better wine,
It's very pretty.
These are the kind of guys that when you are holding somebody, you are holding something. Oh my God. Baby, how is you?
No,
it's fine.
Good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Tomato plum.
Plum. What's your name?
My name is Anee.
Your name na gene?
Annie.
Anee.
Furniture.
Acha, where the chop?
No,
Furniture.
No. Annie.
Acha.
No.
So person film me say
Me.
if it be your name.
If it be my name.
Which part you play for the what be your character name for inside the
my character name na Ama.
Ama.
Now one way they disturb person for inside the trailer.
Now bad part you get, I been a good part.
Now good part I guess. Now good girl I be now.
Wonderful. You will get this guy hair. Any girl when they get this guy with my hair. And not the big because you know.
Now today I never feel something for my life. Now today.
You see my face I did. Come and go and sit down there.
Not today. Carry 100,000 for my head.
100,000. That one are the cheap one. This one are 450,000.
I said they
carry house rent, put for head. House rent, put for head.
Brace or blade and command the head. Sell and face.
What is your own character name for inside the before 30? Akin. Now you be the lover boy.
Now me the lover
Hey,
boy.
But make I ask Una this question. What be the story behind this before 30? Una say some of una never marry. They follow una for village. Una not see husband marry. Una not see wife marry.
What will happen before 30?
Make we sit down. Who's before 30?
It could be like sentence we never correct.
Before 30, dot.
Nedu, how now?
Before 30.
Listen, how now?
before 30.
But if you carry on start on something here.
No, but
before
you know, it
you know,
don't make
okay,
sense
okay.
now.
So
No be complete sentence. For English language,
It's called present participle
fragment sentence.
fragment sentence.
fragment,
because you don't go
more
complete.
to come.
More to come.
More to come
So
statement.
before 30,
What be the story
the
behind
story
before?
be say, in this are Nigeria, it be like say, plenty stress they enter women.
Before 30.
No, some ladies.
Uh-huh.
Not be some ladies, all ladies.
Oh, okay.
No.
Are you married? Are you married? Are you married?
Okay.
You know they call it with plum.
Sorry. Are you married?
See as you change am.
How old is you?
I can't.
I don't before 30, neighbor.
But you are before 30.
Before
Tell me.
I think
Talk,
I do before 30.
she's before 30. Talk true. Say you never did think of husband to marry.
I never did think of.
You know what you get? You know
I
what you
never
get?
did think of.
Okay. Matter, this one they young.
Okay.
She never, but you know those ones when they don't reach 26, 27. You think they
this
bite
one
them
say
like that
them-
mosquito?
no,
You know that mosquito labor group when you talk about.
Yes.
They just they bite them.
No, you know that guy
MCN, I didn't say they call it MCN.
When came money.
MAN Mosquito Association of Nigeria.
Nigeria.
I think
Lagos chapter.
I say they patrol Lagos well for this.
No,
woman.
them blocked out Mainland Bridge now. You not see them.
My brother.
Okay. Anyway, our phone numbers go down on top of TV. Now make it begin the call. So they for talk to these fine people when they
For
say they for
before 30.
inside studio, but before 30. If you are before 30, call us your password now. Before 30. Now, Amma, which will be your real name?
Annie.
Annie.
He never won marry because he never yam that our friend we won marry this Saturday when the mother say me he consign me the girl
No,
consign.
she this one not sure say she go sign leave am. Now, make I ask you, plenty people why not do this now because of this matter of say okay, plenty people won't marry before they reach 30. Then they believe say one they don't do 27, 28, they don't
Time
old,
don't they go,
time don't they go, menopause don't they meet them.
I know. No before 27.
Okay.
No before 27.
When menopause?
You don't see her face. No before 27.
No, you know say that disease where they come. Many
Menopause.
many
No, you know
pussy.
say
Karibi.
Nah, never pussy.
Now we make a watch you.
Now, waiting now since una don't say okay, this now waiting the worry women. Make we do something about them. Now, as una they do am, now waiting una hope. Say when people watch them, their life they will come repent from. What they go repent from?
Number one, you think say you could sweet people for body to
What
watch 'em?
exactly?
You go sweet them. Well.
No, you go sweet people to watch. That one I know.
sweet.
Why?
I know because you know you see that thing with that girl where Bruce nearly blow come out now. Or you see says she go meet one guy, then kiss him. That guy look like heartbreaker. So the guy go break a heart for the fame.
Meanwhile,
Go come
now this
go.
one.
Wait, she now they follow that one. For that one to take for love am.
This
one
one
now
they follow
come
for
the
am.
drive
You
for
see?
am.
But you don't really look this one.
You
know,
know,
so
see,
like,
You see the problem. You see the problem.
Zaria, good evening.
Hello.
Hey, brother, good evening.
Hello.
Hello. See why?
Hello? Yes, Nedu.
How is you?
Kana lafiya?
Wallahi ina nan lafiya wallahi tallahi wuce na.
Gaskiya kun burge mu yau wallahi. That is one Nigeria.
Wallahi wannan Nigeria aka ce wannan Nigeria feast.
Ka gane ko?
Feast to see why what you can talk about for today's show.
For your exhibit.
Ka ce me ina jin ka.
One piece. Na ganka kai ma. Ni ma
Feast
hannu
ko?
yana sama.
Kawai feast kawai.
Kace?
Feast kawai ko? Feast.
Na ganka da kwariya ne. Zaka ban shura ne sha?
A za ba ka ci ɗa ne, akwai jiɗa a ciki. Kana so?
to ka tani ko me fa fi wa ke fin senye to tanga do. To da fo do ro yen na ngi ya kisa. Brother.
So see why, thank you very much from Zaria. Now, talk granite.
It's not better groundnut.
You see, I see fat round.
And the roast, if you smell the roast.
Now, from Wari, good evening. Benedict?
Yes.
Benedict,
Yes.
how is you?
It's now show.
Again,
Yeah, how far?
my brother Adele, how far now? How your side?
Oh, bless
Hey, your phone get conversion, no?
Hello?
Hello, would they hear you? I bet call us back.
Benedictus.
Benedict, call us back. Now, waiting on our hope say this before 30 go achieve. Waiting on our hope say you go settle for society.
Well, me, the way I see him, say, this kind of matter, we're supposed to talk am. make the pressure reduce because it's good for woman to know who she be
before
she
she
go
run
marry.
enter another person's house.
Okay.
And it's good for man to know
Who him be?
or who he go collect first.
But woman no fit really know who she be now before 30.
When they want to know? Now just they ask.
They feel they know now. They
Maybe
feel they know
which
for that
time
kind
you go
26.
school, come back.
You know who you be now?
I know.
Who you be?
450,000.
You see the problem.
You see?
You see the problem.
Let me say you never want money. You know where they pay me pass. Where they pay me pass, eh? He said this one day so now. Who you be? 450,000. Now like them.
Now wait talk more.
Wait to talk with you. When then done they she go done they she feel as I see her now she feel like 22. Sorry from Lokoja. I will come back to this matter. Hello, good evening. From Lokoja, good evening.
Hello.
Hey, ransom.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Ransom.
At 30, I mean, which are the, what is the slogan?
Guinea.
Before 30.
Before 30.
Before 30.
Before 30.
Before 30.
30.
Before 30.
30. You are going to collect well.
30.
I beg, I mean, tell us, we just join because it's been like from my community. I mean, tell us what you mean of that before 30.
Okay, I don't hear now. Ransom, then go tell you now. Thank you very much. I am not going to tell Ransom before 30.
Ransom, the handsome.
I think first, when we congratulate Ransom, say they don't bring lights. Before 30, they give them lights.
They give them lights.
Our government at work. Anyway, I will talk. Say this problem is say a lot of women in our society, the pressure to marry before 30. As we look and say the pressure, say they never even submit themselves, but everybody for house they tell say where your husband?
Before 30. So that maybe be like say if you reach 30, you never marry trumpet go sound.
Not the only trumpet.
Some people trumpet they sound once they reach 30.
From Lagos, good evening. Hello.
Nedu, my brother.
How is you? Peace to you.
I do fine.
Peace upon you.
How are you? Huh?
Peace upon you, my brother. Peace upon you.
Who's inside you?
Yeah, let me hear you well. You need to speak louder.
Peace upon you!
Peace into you!
You don't hear me now.
That is beside you there.
And you
Where
know,
does she come from?
there are many people beside you.
Who?
That lady beside you.
Beside, there are many people beside you.
Zainab, good evening.
Look at
Zainab, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, Zainab from Abuja?
I dey fine, no.
How today?
Today fine.
Zainab, you want to follow our people talk for inside studio today before 30? Are you before 30 or after 30?
No, I be before marriage.
Very now, correct baby that.
Yes, you and Katim. I like una outfit, una bam, una
Oh,
leggy.
tell me you
Thank you, it's our talent.
Our talent.
What can we do? Thank you. Stop making us blush, please. We are before 30. Thank you very much, Zainab. Thank you. Hey, Zainab.
Another thing. No?
If you never reach this, if you cross that 30, you go kill yourself. I'll be waiting.
My sister,
My
now wetin we dey wonder o. Now wetin make us do this kind of film so people no go dey kill themselves if they reach 30.
But you sure say not be to console on herself, console girls, not make them
Now you
do
make
this
them
thing.
do. Give me 5 minutes.
You understand?
That's why I like
Because
you.
no, but not true. You see, may we talk true. As we talk, I mean,
No,
talk
you know
one
say we
matter.
never ask ECB.
Wait.
They always take care.
Leave am first. As we talk before 30, you now, you say your own, you don't know yourself, your own are 450,000 hair. Now, the kind of you, I know you. Now, you are 22 now, or 23 now. If you do 2 punch, 24. Now, by 27, hey, no man, don't come ask me for my hand, the money, Joe.
You go fasting and pray.
Wait now.
This thing will come down.
Then the hair will come. No, it don't come down.
You know what reduce?
You go see the wear the hair. You go see the.
But the price will reduce.
Then you wait. You go see the wear the hair. Then by 29, she will come begin to pray. Oh God, any man. When you now enter 30, 31. Now that time you will come command this hair. You come cut am. You come cut am.
You say maybe my destiny day.
My destiny day.
Maybe go look this my hair say, "Nay, I am now."
Because make I tell you true, wetin make oh God, because it dey shock me. All these girls wey dey say before 30 they never marry, wey make they never marry before 30. Una go dey say I'm going to dress like this. See this hair wey you wear now. Make I ask you one question now.
I gonna too like this my hair.
Wait,
No, but
you
hair.
wait. If you ask girls, wetin make them dey put hair? Na so that men they can Make I tell you true. I don't forget your name.
Karibi.
Taribo.
Yes.
Taribo, make I tell you now. If you see babe when you like now, tell me true. If, okay, for example, would they be a parlor now?
Be a parlor.
And you go say, Taribo, oh more, if you see that girl, if you see her hair. We never talk like that.
Never
What do
talk.
we talk?
Almost you see that nyas.
Hey!
No picture.
No picture.
No use the needle. I check out with that needle. I check my own with the needle. My own na proper one.
Proper one.
Which is inside here.
Hello, who they
No
on the
problem.
line?
Come with us. Come with us.
No, Nedu.
Hello, good evening.
Give our case.
Solomon.
Yeah, Nedu.
Good evening. How you doing?
My brother, I bam.
Solomon, are you before 30 or after 30?
My brother, I don't after 30. I don't even marry myself.
Okay, what you get to talk this evening?
In fact, the matter be say, people they speak English, then talk say the worst thing that can happen to a man is to get married to a woman who is not prepared for marriage.
Exactly.
You talk about.
Exactly.
Solomon, be like say you be a wise man.
My brother, not be small wise man. The matter, before I see my wife.
My brother, you don't see shaky. You walk up and down.
The matter far. Nedu, you know the problem with these guys they get?
What's the problem?
They won't follow Maga because Maga they pay.
Thank
They're not ready to follow that gentle guy man. We're ready to change their life for them.
No mind them.
Then they look the immediate cocaine pusher.
Yes.
Okay, Solomon, why ask you one question?
Pepper to blow on top their head. They say,
No mind them.
Solomon, why ask you one question? How old was your wife when you married him? How old was your wife when you married him?
26 years.
See,
20
Solomon they talk.
Exactly.
He go marry before 30. Now they talk. Solomon, everything you don't talk, I don't cancel out. You don't marry before 30. Now they talk. You tell us
Solomon,
wait.
thank
They hear
you.
you. They don't let me they hear you.
Okay, Solomon, I hear you.
They make noise.
They don't mind them. I
They
hear
are
you.
not the hot. They are not the hot.
But
I
you
hear
marry
you
your
now.
wife before
Before
30.
30.
You don't go fit deny that one now, my brother.
Favorite Katim.
You marry your wife before 30, before she clock 30 now.
I know never clock 30. Now 26 I'm married. That rate where?
My brother.
26 come
Now
before 30.
before 30.
Now I make a pure now.
So make I ask you now. You say be 26 before 30, I make them pure. Now, what to make them do this movie? Now for the pressure where they for girls, when they never marry before 30. Now, since you say they pure, now you say the one way past 30 not pure.
Oh.
Where you go? Solomon, don't run.
No, but I
Make
true.
you think
Because in talk.
the man, look at the man talk up.
Then I make them pure. Now this thing I make them do this movie.
So after 30, they don't pure again.
You also after that, so they're not pure again.
Hey.
Now
Because
women they run.
I'm not gonna lie, give you. I like the fact say una day into this production of before 30 because so many girls
I'm making mistakes.
making huge mistakes.
No, you go need to see
enter
them for their 30th birthday. They go enter house. No, they go they cry. You go think the person die.
Now that one, you see them carry waka enter go marry man when they be say not love them.
Exactly.
Because of say some of them
Exactly.
then go marry man. Not be when the man go marry them. In fact, now you go make me ask you now. What be the pressure? In a way, describe the pressure. You understand? What these young ladies they face. Young ladies where they before 30 or we don't reach 30. The kind of pressure where then they face. We make una say okay, no, we guys do movie about this. Make people learn. No say.
Now, first of all, now married
Now marry.
Lack of husband.
Exactly. I go give you example. Person fit go school, all the school finish to PhD. Man, it dey okay. Woman, you go finish that PhD, come back, they go ask you where your husband.
Okay.
Now the reason, if I don't get any other explanation, the explanation will be that the only reason we make me say, woman fit achieve something for herself and it go dey enough. She no need man. If she want man, she fit follow man, but she no need man.
So wait first, as you did like this, you they tell us say before you reach 30, nobody if I fit put pressure on top of your body say you must to marry before 30.
They don't put, but me I get strong head, so they don't tire.
They could go bring the man for you, make you marry.
They don't they pray
As
already.
you dey house, they could go bring somebody like Nedu come say, what's your name?
No, she agree. Baby, will you marry me?
Nedu, what be this? Nedu, what be this? Nedu, what be this?
Let's dance. We dey come market. We dey come back. Stop. You see two of them now. The two go. The remaining two other people wait there for the show. Then go come. But I don't see my wife. Give us music. Katim, you can manage him. Please. Hey!
Let me show you.
No, I don't know that one. That's not the feeling we go for. That's not the feeling we go for. That's not the feeling we go for. Look at this.
Now you go carry me. Now you go carry me.
Hey! Cuckoo!